500 pesos, Ate Lot. How are you?
Fine.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for making business. Guys and girls, see that? 500 pesos. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. It's raining here, guys and girls. Day 39 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million pesos saving challenge. Oh my gosh. We're getting near? No, not yet. We will have lots of days before we achieve our goal, but we keep on going. And we have this kind of motivation. Do that to yourself, okay? Earn, save, invest. Not in any networking, pyramiding, or in any scams. Don't engage. Road to 1 million pesos. Bye for now.